Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use the Student Attendance Tracker in Google Sheets. This tracker includes a total of 15 tabs. Before getting started, please make sure to read the user guide and follow the important instructions included with the tracker. Let's begin with the Data Center tab. This is where you'll enter all of your students' information. At the top of the sheet, you'll find the following fields: class or section, school year or academic year, class teacher, and number of students. Simply enter the required information in these fields. To ensure the tracker works properly, please do not modify the layout in this section. Below is the student information table, which includes student name, student ID, birth date, contact information, and address. From the birth date column onward, you're free to customize the columns based on your needs. For example, you can replace them with fields such as age, gender, parent's name, or any other information you'd like to manage. Now, let's add a few sample students. Once you enter their names here, they'll automatically appear across all of the monthly attendance tabs. Let's open one of the monthly tabs. As you can see, the student names have already been populated automatically. Please note that student names cannot be edited directly from the monthly tabs. If you need to edit or remove a student, simply return to the data center and make the changes there. This tracker supports up to 50 students. Now let's explore the monthly attendance tabs. At the top left section, you'll see the following information: month and year, academic year, teacher's name, and number of students. These fields are automatically pulled from the data center. Below that is the list of student names, which is also generated automatically. In the center of the sheet is the daily attendance section. This is where you'll record each student's attendance by selecting a status from the drop-down menu. Please do not modify or add additional attendance statuses, as the existing formulas are specifically designed to calculate these predefined options. At the top of each day, you'll see the daily attendance totals. Present includes students marked as present, late, or activity, since they participated in school or school-related activities. Absent includes students marked as absent or excused, as they were not physically present. This gives you a quick overview of your class attendance for the day. On the far right, you'll find the attendance report. This section automatically summarizes each student's monthly attendance, including totals for present, late, activity, absent, and excused. Further to the right, you'll also see a progress bar with the attendance percentage, providing a quick overview of each student's attendance performance. The same layout and functionality apply to all of the remaining monthly tabs. Next, let's move to the Student Attendance Report tab. This tab provides a comprehensive attendance report for each student. The only areas you'll need to modify at the top section are the header, the student name dropdown, and the term or semester field. And at the bottom, the meeting attendance requirements and the teacher notes. Let's start with the header. Simply enter your school name, for example. If you'd like to add your school's logo, go to Insert, select Image, then choose Insert Image in Cell. Browse for your logo, upload it, and resize it until you're satisfied with its placement. Next, use the student name dropdown to select the student whose report you'd like to view. Once selected, the rest of the report updates automatically. You'll also see the student ID, class, teacher, and academic year filled in automatically. You can edit the term field to match your current grading period or semester. Below that, you'll see the student's overall attendance progress, which includes the progress bar, attendance percentage, and attendance status. You'll also find the attendance status legend directly below the progress bar for easy reference. Next is the yearly attendance summary. This table displays each month's total school days, present, late, activity, absent, and excused totals. You'll also see the monthly attendance percentage and progress bar. On the right is the continuation of the summary for the following calendar year. The tracker automatically covers attendance records from August of the first year through July of the following year. Below the tables are charts that help visualize attendance performance throughout the school year. The green bars represent attendance, including present, late, and activity. The red bars represent absences, including absent and excused. Further down, you'll find another chart comparing total attendance versus absences, making it easy to identify attendance trends at a glance. At the bottom, you'll also find an attendance summary. This includes total number of school days, total days attended, and overall attendance rate. For meeting attendance requirements, the default minimum attendance rate is set to 80%. You can change this to match your school's policy. For example, if your minimum requirement is 75%, simply replace the value with 75%. Then, enter passed if the student met the requirement or failed if they did not. The Teacher Notes section can be used to record comments, evaluations, or observations before printing or sharing the report with parents or guardians. Finally, don't forget to add the teacher's name and signature. If you'd like to print the report or save it as a PDF, simply press Ctrl+P. Select Current Sheet. Choose your preferred paper size. Set the orientation to Portrait. Under Scale, choose Fit to Page. Set the margins to Narrow to maximize the printable area. Then click Next and either print the report or save it as a PDF. Finally, let's look at the Performance Summary tab. This tab ranks students based on their attendance performance throughout the school year. You'll find rankings for each month, making it easy to identify students with the highest and lowest attendance. In the first section, you'll also see the overall rankings for the entire school year. If you notice student names appearing in months that don't have attendance records yet, that's completely normal. The tracker automatically pulls every student's name into each monthly ranking section, even if attendance data hasn't been entered for those months yet. You can simply ignore any months that haven't been used yet. This tab makes it easy to recognize students with excellent attendance, monitor consistency, and support attendance-based recognition or evaluations. One last thing, don't worry if you accidentally delete a cell or column containing formulas. The tracker automatically restores them whenever changes are made, helping keep everything working as intended. You can continue using this tracker for years to come. Simply change the month and year at the top of each monthly tab and update the day order in the attendance section as needed. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy using this tracker.